Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the chainless half double crochet stitch or technique. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. So to begin, the chainless half double crochet isn't really a stitch, it's more of a technique. So it's not a standalone stitch to teach. Using the chainless half double crochet method or technique is when you make your stitches or project, it's going to keep the sides of your stitches or your project straight and even on the sides. It's going to look a little bit more put together, more uniform when using this technique. So for my example swatch, I've already made 22 chains. I worked a half double crochet into the third chain from my hook and then worked one half double crochet into each chain across. And that's what you're seeing right here. So now I'm ready to show you how to make the chainless half double crochet stitch or technique. And that is going to involve this last little loop in your row right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep this loop. You're going to take your hook out of your loop. You're going to turn your work over. You're then going to insert your hook back into that same loop. Then you would continue to make stitches like you normally would. You're going to yarn over and you're going to make those half double crochet stitches like you just normally would. And you could see over here how it's keeping this edge of your work or your project straight. So let me show you that one more time. Once you've already made the row you're working on, you get to the very end. No more chains or stitches to work into for this row. You're going to have this loop on your hook. You're going to take your hook out of that loop, but you're going to keep this loop intact. Turn your work, insert your hook back into that loop, then yarn over, and you're going to continue to just make stitches, work on your project like you normally would. And this technique or method is all about keeping these sides of your work or your project straight. You can see how that is looking, nice and tidy, nice and straight on those sides. So I have brought in my example swatch so you can see how the sides of my swatch are looking when I use the chainless half double crochet stitch or technique. You can see how everything on our sides right here look very uniform, very straight, very put together. And that is going to be how to make the chainless half double crochet stitch or technique. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.